Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin's biggest move ever is coming. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randy here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're taking a look at Bitcoin's biggest move ever incoming. Before we get into that, guys, like the video, join us on Twitter at the Crypto Love, subscribe to the OG Bitcoin Crypto YouTube channel, making daily videos since 2017. Yowza. As a matter of fact, 5 days until the channel's anniversary. Now, today, fear and greed in extreme fear, 25. Not big drop from yesterday, 27, but have gone from regular fear to extreme fear. The overall market, though, just went sideways. Bitcoin at 59,186, Ethereum at 25.98, and BNB at 526. Now, Bitcoin continuing. You ever feel like you're doing the same thing over and over and over again? Well, I feel that way since March. Bitcoin has just been going sideways, and every time I'm just like, Bitcoin's going sideways, right around previous all-time highs, sideways, continuing sideways, Bitcoin price is going sideways. Well, go figure, Bitcoin price went sideways once again, underneath the 21 EMA, this blue line, above the baby maker moving average, the yellow line 9-month moving average, and potentially a little bit of a wedge forming in there. You can see we have the top lines here, we have the bottom lines here, breakout by roughly September, which coincidentally is the month we've been predicting for a long time as to when the Bitcoin breakout will occur. Now, interesting to note, people may be bearish right now. Maybe there are people who are bullish, but they're definitely silent. But this is too perfect. If we take a look, Bitcoin right now, $59,000. Fear and greed at 25. Extreme fear, we just showed you that. But back in February, before things went sideways for 6 months or however long it's been, Bitcoin was at $56,000, lower than the prices today. And the fear and greed was at 79, which is greed territory, if not extreme greed territory. Don't always trade with the herd, go against it. Interesting to note. Bitcoin has just been in a multi-month, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 month consolidation pattern set for a breakout above support levels. You can see we wick below there, but definitely not closing below any of those support levels just yet. And as this wedge forms, we have a great triangle pattern forming. The two targets, well, there's a bull case and a bear case. Bull case, $68,000. Bear case, $52,000. You can go ahead and bet on which one will be happening. But just a reminder for everyone, we're really very, very early. Now, this is a great chart now, but let's say in like a year, all the way out here where the mouse is, if you can see that, let's say it's still down here. Wouldn't that be terrible? Would we still be saying patience is a virtue, wait for it? I don't exactly know, but I was thinking about that today. It's got to tick up eventually. Generally, in the next few months, should be taking off, fingers crossed. So 1 week later, Bitcoin is still holding the line, has not closed a candle below this red support line right here. How interesting, may found support once again. Now, if we take a look here, this is very interesting comparing right now with 2017, which was a mind-melting bull run, as opposed to the 2020 bull run, which we all got wicked off and it kind of sucked. So 2017, if we take a look, imagine Bitcoin the same moment it was back in 2016. Buy signals on the M chart, month-long consolidation afterwards, not uncommon. But what comes after that doesn't freaking matter. Doesn't care what the bears predict. Many of them are still waiting for 12,000 Bitcoin. So you can see pretty much support line, deviation, reset, consolidation, and buy before mind-melting bull run. Could we be in that territory before a mind-melting bull run? Goodness, do I ever hope so. Here's a hint, we may actually be getting ready for a mind-melting run, potentially a 3x of price. The last time this happened in a bull market, Bitcoin printed a bearish cross on the daily chart. Last time this happened, Bitcoin price shortly thereafter went from $25,000 to $72,000. So could we see a 3x, $180,000 Bitcoin from here? Would it not be absurd? Because the last couple times Bitcoin broke out from a sideways megaphone like it's doing, well, not breaking out yet, it's still just consolidating in the sideways megaphone. But take a look what happened. Price went up. This could be $160,000 price target for Bitcoin. And you have to remember, we're now in Q3, but historically, Q4 is when the face melting parabolic rallies happen. Could we see the same thing once again? Look at this, Q4, bam, Q4, bam. Q4, how about it? Another bam for Bitcoin price going up in a face-melting rally. And with Bitcoin, so go altcoins, because right now they are sitting on a trend line that has not been broken in 5 years and at the bottom of the KC channel. Every time, 3 for 3, this happened previously, the market has risen rapidly in the following months. So get ready. Hopefully, fingers crossed, things will be changing pretty soon. So that's all for this episode. If you like it, subscribe. Watch that video right there. I'll catch you later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.